So now it takes a couple of minutes for it to come down.
Yeah.
You see it's descending.
Yeah.
Then it'll stop, check to make sure it's still above the weight of the home pole.
Yep.
So this is what they call auto landing? Or?
Yes, it should come down to about where we had it, and then it's just going to land. Just keep an eye out for cars, of course. As you can see, pretty much where I put it.
Okay.
Wow. That's awesome.
And now it's just going to idle, and I'll kill the throttle.
Okay.
That's about it.
Wow.
And you can
Those two foams really work, huh?
Yeah. And when we flick the switch off, you can fly it even further. Or just gonna get it out of its way. I'm just gonna try over at the field over there and see if it still comes home. The important thing is that you gotta be in GPS mode for it to actually come home.
Yeah. GPS mode for it.
And there's got to be no obstacles in the way between there and here. So I flicked it. It's going to go up.
So you flip it just now to the homo, is that what?
Yep, it's at home location. It's going to just shoot up to 20 meters or 15 or whatever it designates as good. Now it's coming home. Check the home location, and once it feels it's comfortably over it, it's going to start descending. Come on, get over it.
So at this point, you can still manually control it?
I'm not touching a thing.
Okay.
But I'm just for backup in case it loses satellite or something. But
Okay.
it rarely does. I mean, I've never seen it do it.
Let me ask you this. You know how the AR drone, like when it's about to run off battery, it'll know how to automate stuff?
Yes, there is a way to set that in your battery. I have it.
Oh,
I
this
think
battery?
Yeah, on the Wukong, you can say, "Hey, go home and land." All right, so when it's kind of moving itself over, I feel at any point but you can see it's getting close again.
Uh-oh.
Not bad for satellites.
Yeah.
And then we turn it off. And then if you want to fly again, you got to go between altitude and GPS mode just once. The
Okay.
stop switch. So now I've got control again and can fly again. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Now this is manual.
This is just altitude mode, so it's stabilizing, but it's not gonna. It'll drift wherever the wind blows it.
Okay.
Now, if I had GPS mode, it's gonna lock itself into wherever I flick the switch at.
Okay.
So now it's just gonna try and hover there. I'm gonna take it up a little higher so we get a little more less ground effect, but that's GPS. And you can see there's actually I think a blue LED or white LED blinking there besides the purple, which is telling you the conditions are a little fair.
Okay.
That's all that is. And then go back to altitude mode, and I'll just bring it in for a landing.